Here I have iPhone 17 Pro and let me show you 5 settings to improve the camera quality on the following phone. Let's begin. Alright, so let's start by opening the settings right here. From the list of settings, let's choose the camera. Let's tap camera right here, and as you can see here we've got all camera settings. Let me show you what you should change or what you should enable to have the best possible camera quality possible. Let's start by using the record video section right here, and let's change the video quality to 4K and 30 FPS. Okay, of course you can also use the 60 FPS or even 120 FPS, but in my case 30 FPS will be enough. Let's go back and let's go for the second thing. So you should here choose the photographic style. Of course you can use the default one, the standard, but in my case let me use the bright. I tested the styles and in my case bright is the most amazing, the most cool one that I would like to use in my photography style. So let me choose the bright. Let's scroll down and here let's enable the lens correction. So you can use this feature to correct lens distortion on the front and ultra wide cameras. And let's go for the next thing. Let's use the lens cleaning hints. So now the camera will display a suggestion when the camera lens should be cleaned to improve the image quality. Let's also use here the indicators, and in my case let me enable all indicators. So it's really useful to have the most indicators on your camera. So let's keep enabled all of them. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.